Why do local businesses need content marketing? Number 1. Establishing local authority. Establishing authority will naturally require consistently creating high-quality content customers want to read, like, and share. Number 2. Enhancing online visibility. Organic search visibility is understandably key to any business's long-term success. Google rewards those businesses that are active and engaged with their audience via their GBP. Number 3. Driving organic traffic and conversion. Organic search is a valuable traffic source for any local business as it tends to convert at a higher rate than traffic from other channels. Number 4. Building customer relationships. Effective content marketing enables local businesses to engage and build lasting relationships with their customers. Number 5. Nurturing the sales funnel. By tailoring content to different stages of the buyer's journey, nurture them with informative content when needed, and eventually convert them into paying customers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.